My name is Dan Knopf. I'm a professor in the mathematics department with research interests in geometric analysis. I came to the University of Texas and joined the College of Natural Sciences in 2004. Since 2009, I have been heavily involved in graduate education. I served for 5 years as the faculty graduate advisor for the mathematics PhD program. And for the last 4 years, I've been the Associate Dean for Graduate Education in the College of Natural Sciences, CNS. In that role, I serve you, our graduate students.
I'm Scott Burkhart. I'm the Director of Graduate and Postdoctoral Education here in the College of Natural Sciences. I have a PhD in biological oceanography and had a career as a research scientist at an academic institution before joining UT Austin in late 2017.
Hi, my name is Po-Sang Koo. I'm the Career Development Specialist for graduate student and postdoc here in the College of Natural Sciences. I have a PhD in cell biology as well as MBA in general management. Following the completion of my postdoctoral training, I started working in the biotech industry, and for over 14 years, I worked as a product marketing professional. And I joined UT in the year of 2014. And now I'm hoping to use both my science background as well as industry knowledge to help you explore and prepare for your desired career opportunities.